Ground floor.
The close button's not working.
Mind the doors, please.
Close button's in the opposite to what it should do again. Ooh, whoa. Well, this is probably the most boring lift. Actually, no, this isn't the most boring lift. There's a platform lift next door. And I'm not filming that, no way. This is the generic. These are still boring. Oh, God,
Lift
loud.
going down.
Oh, Lord.
First floor.
There they are, but oh, a boring place. This is. I'm going to let them go down. Well, it's gone now. Let's pull it to go back down and pull it to come off again. Shall we? Oh, come on. So hot. I'm so hot and running. Yeah, it's coming up. There we go. Must not be using the fire. No, I agree. Not safe. Not very safe at all. Slow too, especially for hydraulic.
First floor.
And again, I get a free lift. Again, I get a lift while
Mind the doors, please.
Again, I get a lift. Lift right on my own again, so we get a good video. It's an old Oakland. Well, not old. Well, God. Now I hate this lift. Enough time to get out of this busy place.
Lift going up. Ground floor.
Whatever time. Oh, I've got to be quick. There's a platform lift in Clark's on the left. And there's also a platform lift here on the left too. Now moving. There it is. And that's all the lifts there are, so there you go.